So this is the fit. And you can apply the same mindset with investing. You don't need the perfect environment to start. Like you don't. This is what I'm drinking. It's the Cafe Verona, Starbucks. Girl lunch, I'm gonna eat. So I'll see you later. Of course, this vlog is starting in the middle of chaos. I literally just had to go to Best Buy to buy an SD card, a micro SD card. And I'm so happy that I formatted and everything is good. So this is the fit that I walked to Best Buy with. Welcome to my office. I feel like you guys don't see the whole of my office, but welcome to my office. My table is a mess. This is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Just got it for my birthday. I'm so happy because obviously vlogging is so freaking hard, like I told you guys before, and carrying like a chunky tripod is literally, it's embarrassing. Like I'm so embarrassed. This is the chunky tripod that I used to film my first video. Look at this huge ass baton looking thing. Excuse me. Like, hello. No, it's actually embarrassing. And this is my DJI now. It's literally so cute. I don't have the tripod right now, but it's just this tall and it's cute. And I can just hold it like this. Anyway, no more fooling around. I really need to get my ass up and work. I've already had one coffee. I already went on a walk. Let's see how many steps I did. 4.7K steps today, and it's 11:30. Taking a coffee break because I'm actually so stressed. This is what I'm drinking. It's the Cafe Verona, Starbucks. Got it at Costco in bulk. I literally have so much to do today. I cannot believe that I forgot that I had a flight tomorrow. So today I need to film 2 sponsored videos, and then I'm also filming a organic video for my investing content. Hopefully you can't hear the Nespresso because it's so freaking loud. And then I'm filming a video on why I'm not buying VFV. If you know, you know. When this vlog comes out, it's probably already done. If you guys want to see all the stocks that I own and follow my trades and get live notifications when I buy and sell stocks, definitely follow me on Blossom. The link is going to be down in the description in all of my videos. It's a free app. You can see all the stocks I own. And then I have to film a YouTube video, which will probably be the one that will be posted before this vlog. Who knows? I have to post a sponsored video today and then pack. I need to pack for my flight. And in order to pack for my flight, I need to do the laundry. So I'm screwed. I also need to clean my place because there's nothing better than coming home to like a nice, clean house at the end of a work trip. My place is super clean right now. I mean, I just want to like vacuum the floor a little bit. I did have my brother here. You know, when 7-year-olds eat, we had banh mi. I don't know, this Vietnamese bun. I don't know how to say it, but we had banh mi and there's crumbs on the floor that I need to clean. So that's what I need to do today. Literally pray for me. Well, you won't see this video, so you praying for me would already be too late. Anyway, I'll be praying for myself. Ooh, look at that perfect pour. I like to add protein. This is vanilla premier protein. It's like the perfect creamer for the coffees that I drink throughout the day. Get the protein in and the caffeine in at the same time, you know? Big brain energy. And then of course, lots of water. Okay, so I just filmed 3 reels and I still need to film another YouTube video, but I'm gonna have lunch first because I didn't eat all day and it is 2 p.m. So I'm gonna have some wontons. They're chicken and cilantro, very high in protein and good carbs, and I need the energy, so that's great. And then I'm also going to defrost tuna poke. Again, 29 grams of protein. It's great and it tastes so yummy. Okay, I just changed my shirt because I don't want to get the white shirt dirty. I'm literally so hungry. You know those ones where you like don't think about food at all for the whole day, and then as soon as you think about food, you're like, holy crap, I'm starving. So here's what I like to put on my wontons. Some soy sauce and some black vinegar. If you know, you know. My tuna has been defrosting. Putting this in a bowl. Also gonna put some seaweed salad. It's my favorite part. And with my poke, I will add some soy sauce and Tabasco, lots of it. Girl lunch, I'm gonna eat, so I'll see you later. I just ate my food so fast. I was so hungry, but while I was eating, I was thinking about something. I was thinking about the fact that I literally did so much work today, although it wasn't in the perfect environment. And what I mean by that is that I'm a perfectionist, and so what goes through my mind when I need to work is that, well, I had all these videos to film, and normally I wouldn't film unless I washed my hair first, because I want to have nice hair when I film. But then in order for me to wash my hair, I feel like I need to get the most use out of my shampoo and conditioner, I guess. I don't wanna wash my hair and then work out, because then I would have just wasted a wash day, if you know what I mean. I feel like personally, and maybe you guys can relate to this, but like I feel like I always need things to be perfect or perfectly timed before I start something. And I really need to change my mindset around that. I literally just filmed today because I knew it had to be done, and like if my hair looks bad, so be it. I just started anyway and I got so much done. And you can apply the same mindset with investing. You don't need the perfect environment to start. Like you don't have to make over 6 figures to start. You don't have to know every single thing about investing to start. You just need to start, and then you'll figure everything out as you go. Just like I did when I was 19. When I was 19, I didn't know half the stuff that I knew now. So really try to hone in on that mindset of just starting. Anyway, I'm going to change back into a nicer shirt so that I can film this YouTube video. Yeah, my hair was looking a little flat. Just going to quickly do some curls. The life of a showgirl. If you know, you know. I am absolutely destroyed. I have successfully filmed 3 reels and 1 YouTube video. Usually 1 YouTube video would knock me out. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, I'm planning to go to the gym. See, my goal is to go to the gym around 1 to 2 p.m. when no one's there. But it always just so happens that I finish work right around 4:30, 5 p.m. The gym literally gets so busy at 5 p.m. because everyone's getting off work. I get so unmotivated to go to the gym just because I know that it's gonna be so packed. There's gonna be so many people. All the machines are gonna be used up. People are gonna be sweaty. I won't get my personal space. And also, I'm vlogging today. Where am I gonna put my vlogging camera? Like, I'm not trying to take up even more space, you know? Just took a break and I doom scrolled on social media, but I just changed and I'm ready to go to the gym now. Just realized that there is actually a new gym that has opened. I'm assuming it's bigger and less busy, so that's where I'm gonna go today. Hopefully it is less busy so I could vlog. I am seriously reconsidering bringing my tripod to the gym. You know what? No, I'll do it because I'm a vlogging girly, so I need to, you know, get used to doing that. OOTD, top is from Honor, bottom is from Honor. I'll put the link in the description for $15 off if you want. It's time to head to the gym. Fingers crossed that it's not busy. I got home from the gym, as you can tell. I showered, I cleaned my place, and I packed for Portland. Sorry I didn't film anything because it was just too chaotic for me. I got home at around 7:30 and I was panicking to finish. And right now it's 11. So I still need to blow dry my hair and then put all of the miscellaneous stuff in my bag. So I will see you guys tomorrow when I'm with Adrian. Good night, everyone.